I'm Matt Buell with the Woodworking Network, and I'm here with the original group and my friend Dave. Dave, can you tell us a little bit about the original group?
Yeah, we manufacture radial arm saws, crosscut machinery, and we also purchased a molding company. That was kind of the name change to Original Group Holdings.
Excellent. And it's made in the USA?
Correct. Made in Britt, Iowa. All the foundries are in the US. All the metal purses are done in North Iowa. We hand wind our own motors on the saws. As American made as we can do it.
And that means spare parts are already in country and easy to get.
Yep, always in stock. Always
massive
in stock parts.
plus. Okay, so I'm looking at your molder, which I remember seeing it before, but it looks like you've made some updates or some little add-ons.
Yep, it's our stand, and we did an enclosed stand on it, so the motor's down inside, covered belt guard, controls only on the front for start-stop, and the electrical connection for the main power's on the rear in the mag starter assembly. We no longer build the constant feed molder. We have service parts for old molders that are built that way, but we only build power fed, the adjustable variable feed system. They're 0 to 19 feet per minute.
And having that adjustable right there is awesome.
Yeah, and then the emergency stop here. If there is an emergency, you can hit it with your hip to shut that machine off right now.
Really, really good looking machine. Okay, speaking of safety, I was looking earlier, I noticed the radial arm saws have had some little safety innovations kind of brought into it. Would you mind taking me over and showing me something?
That'd be great.
Excellent. All right, Dave, am I looking at a pneumatic enclosed cutting surface on a radial arm?
That's correct.
I've never seen this.
No.
Please walk me through this.
So we did one a couple years ago, kind of a little bit more rudimentary. It wasn't as refined as this one. We were able to add pneumatic clamping to it, a visual line, adding a laser so you can see your cut path of the saw. The block off keeps an employee's hands out of there when you're cutting the material. It also encloses the space for better dust collection. There's a lot of focus on dust collection in the work area. You know, trip hazards, slip hazard, breathing hazards. So we spend a lot of time focusing on making sure you still get the cut capacity that the saw can handle, that you need to do the job, but do it safely.
Yeah, this is a massive feature upgrade that I've never seen on a radial arm. So I mean, and you're saying that it comes with a pneumatic, or you can also have just standard manual?
Yeah, but it could just be a manual block off, or you'd loosen the clamp handle, slide the hole. This way you can set it within a few inches of what your material is going to be, and use a pneumatic switch, and the cylinder will actuate that block off. Acts as a clamp and keeping you out of that cutting area.
Hands safer, less dust in the air?
Correct.
Massive improvements.
Thank you.
So it looks to me like you guys are really pushing and innovating on adding a lot of safety features to all of your products.
Yep. Safety and comfort for the employer, the employee that's running it all day long. I want to have everybody go home safe at the end of the day.
True. Not only is dust even a safety thing, it's also, it gets old cleaning it up over and over again.
Correct.
I just think it's really cool that you guys are continually adding and pushing innovations for safety, because we all know these machines can never be safe enough.
Right. You don't want to get stagnant. You want to keep looking forward to the future, what you can do to better improve the machine, the process, to do the work. It takes people and machinery to do the work.
Original Saw is getting it right.
So we made some other innovative changes to our measuring systems. We changed the fixed foot a little bit, redesigned it, makes it a lot more stable, a lot more robust. We can put a bigger gang stop on it, cut multiple boards, increased productivity, better finished part in the end, more accurate.
And the bigger gang stop alone is a massive upgrade.
Correct.
I mean, your efficiency is going up.
Yep.
Times what, 3 or 4?
We go out to 19 inches, so yeah, you can stack, you know, depending on how you're positioning the boards, you know, 3-4 times the productivity of what we were doing with the old gang stop.
Like the old saying, measure twice, cut 4 times at once.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time today, and these are incredible.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks for coming in.
Well, that wraps it up here at IWF with Original Group. Keep an eye out for these saws. They are amazing.